What's up, everybody? So today's tutorial we'll be learning about how to convert any fraction to decimal using division. In this tutorial you will learn two ways. The first is the hard way and the second is the easy way. And because I'm so nice to you, I will tell you the hard way first. Okay, let's start with half here. So half there, we will convert this into fractions. So we can divide this using vertical division like this: 1 divided by 2. Remember, the top number is always inside the gates and the denominator or the bottom number will be outside. So 1 divided by 2. Because we know that 2 is too big for 1, we will make this 1 looks like 10 by using decimal point and give 0 there. But remember, we never change the value of 1 there because we know that 1.0 or 1.00 or 1.000, they all have the same value. They are 1. So let's use that 1.0 and this looks like 10 divided by 2. So we know that 2 times 5 equals 10 and we can subtract to get the 0 remainder. And do not forget, because we use a decimal point, so we'll bring the decimal point up next to this 5. And the answer is 0.5. And to make it proper, we will make it 0 at front, so it becomes 0.5. Or 1/2 equals 0.5. Alright, next example. Now for next, we'll use 1/4 or 1/4. The same way, we'll put the top number inside the gates and the others is outside. Because we know that 4 is equal to 1, so let's put decimal point and add 1 0 behind. This looks like 10 divided by 4. And the closest multiplication of 4 to 10 is 4 times 2. 4 times 2 equals 8 and 10 minus 8 equals 2. And once again, we have to divide 2 with 4 because 4 is still too big with 2. We can add another 10 in the hundreds place for that decimal and bring that zeros down. So we know that 20 divided by 4 is 5 and 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. And now we can get the remainder is 0. Once again, do not forget to bring the decimal points up here. So it is 0.25. And to make it proper, put 0 front. So it is 0.25. Okay, like so. Next, for this one we only divide, but for this next example we will see there's a special case for this kind of division. Let's use 1/3. Was the same, we will put 1 inside and 3 outside, and we'll put 0.0. Okay, we know that 10 divided by 3, the closest one we can use is 3 times 3, so it is 9, and we can subtract that to get the remainder is 1. And again, 1 is too small for 3. Let's add another 0 there and then bring that down, so it becomes 10 divided by 3. And once again, the closest one is 3, so with 3 times 3 equals 9, and it turns out it's 1 again. And we add another 0 here and we will make 3 times 3 again. And wait a minute, I think we'll just do this for forever. That's why for this kind of fraction, to convert this fraction, we can just stop at this one, because the answer for this one, don't forget to put the decimal point there, and to make it proper, put a 0. So 0.3333 until infinity, until forever. So to make it simpler, we can just make 2 digits after decimal point, so 0.33. This is only a special case. Okay, as I promised before, I will show you the second way. That is the easy way. Okay, now let's take a look. So yes, the second or the easy way, we'll be using calculator for converting any kind of fractions to decimal. Let's start with the same example. So 1 divided by 2 equals to 1.5. That is very easy and fast. And let's see again. We'll try to use the same. 1 divided by 4 equals to 0.25. And the last, it is 1 divided by 3. And as you can see, 0.33333 there. Just make it simpler into 1.33. Okay, so using calculator is another way to convert any kind of fraction to decimal. Okay, but this is only the additional information, but still we have to know how to do it manually. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next. See ya.